Hello guys, today we're playing Geometry Dash, and today it's not going to be fun. Stop. So, we got a hard level. We see this. So automatically this looks easy. See? Yeah. But it's actually not that easy too. But I want to show you one thing. Okay guys? You know Dash, right? Deadlocked, I haven't beat it. I'm trash at this game. Look, how are we doing this? Chad, I mean guys, I'm very sorry guys. Try to beat this today. And I got 86% last video. But then you burn this. Just kidding. I haven't made a video of this, so I want to make a video. Okay guys? So if you want to hear about that video, I'm going to see it. Okay, we gotta play more. We gotta get started with this attempt. Okay, guys, we gotta get. Right, guys? Oh my god, guys. We already have everything done. We're doing a few attempts of this, okay guys? Huh? Guys, what did I just unlock? Is that like a ship? Wait. I got a brand new ship, guys. This is perfect, There's chicken play in the service all the time. Okay, let's do it. Guys, we got a new icon. That's cool. We actually got a new icon, guys. Look at this. That brand new ship that we got is actually pretty cool, guys. Whoa, guys. We're actually making some progress here today. We're actually making real progress. Dang, how much progress do we have to make? God. Gonna be that. I don't think it's really it's possible. But also I never made a video to that. I don't have any Okay, guys, I'm not gonna be mad at that record. Actually, it's pretty good. Okay, this level is not too hard. I just haven't beat it yet. 89. I feel like I can pass that out, but I'm not. Oh, we actually got new beds. That's crazy, guys. We're so close to getting this level so done. I already got it to 2 down 1. Let's go. 2 down. I feel like today might be a good day to beat it. Dang, bro. Dang. Guys, this is not live. I might do a live video like a different day. I'm still getting my live room ready. Right, Tyler? So I haven't quite made it yet. But I will go live someday. My room's just still getting fixed right now. And I tried it once and it went completely bad. And yeah. And I didn't even post it because it was so bad. And guess what? When I was trying to make a stream in the middle, that's what happened. It broke down. So that's why. Okay, so I didn't never post that and I deleted it. I tried to fix it. Okay, guys. I'm just kidding. It's December 20th. We gotta beat this. Oh my god. What is this game? It's so hard. Oh my god, guys. Today's gonna be a good day. I've been practicing this game for a while. Sorry, no more Roblox for fun. We'll be on with that. Okay, guys. Gotta be with that. Guys, what do you think is gonna happen today? Please like and subscribe, guys. I only have like 11 subscribers in this video. Might get sponsored. Hey guys, so all we have to do is okay. I believe we still have 100 subscribers. Guys, almost made it. Okay, we're back here. Walking. Okay, I'm not mad at that one. This is 83 and that's pretty good. Come on. Right, guys? Yeah. Guys, I feel like someday I should pull up the tab. But I'm not gonna do that this stream. No, it's not a stream. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Please. I'm so sorry. It's just a video. I'm sorry. Is it okay, guys? Every Saturday I Saturday, I don't make that much. You didn't work. Oh my god, guys. When are we gonna beat this level, guys? You. I might do another challenge today in Geometry Dash, but not yet. Yeah, I gotta finish this video first. Edit it. No, I'm not editing. Okay, guys. Hard. Dang it! No, guys. But we gotta watch it because I'm not down at 30 now. Okay? I'm hearing this guess what? On the guys, this game's like a Mario like board. But no mean to worry about that right now. Because we're about to beat this level. Right guys? Right? Stay in the comments. It's very cool, like, it's cool to experience it. But this time we gotta be, there you go. Okay guys, I know the tiniest robot jump. Yes, wait, how do we get that jump? Oh my god. Please be slow. Please, guys, we need slow. Give me auto up, guys, please. Please give me auto up, guys. Please give me auto up. We got points. Please give me auto up, guys. Oh, yeah. I mean, all the luck in the world, guys. No, I had to coin. I had to coin, guys. I had to coin, guys. That hurt it, guys. That really hurt it, guys. Wee. Oop, yeah. Guys, this is gonna be good. I feel I can make it to the dun. I'm just trying to get the coin, okay, guys? Let's try to get the coin now, guys. This game, now I'm going for the ore boy. Yeah, how much is actually my life, guys? I didn't get it. Guys, I kind of want to lock in here, okay? This board thing. Going. Hey guys, hey. You messed my game up. Stop. Guys, say in the comments L Cameron in the comments. I should see L Cameron in the comments, okay guys? L Cameron in the comments. L Cameron in the comments. This just kidding, guys. W Cameron in the comments. W Cameron in the comments. Christmas is almost here, guys. They're almost there. Why is this controller here, guys? I don't know why. Next video, I'm gonna make a level and you can make it and I'll try to beat it. But do not make it too hard because I'm trash at this game. Might make a video next Thursday. Yeah, next Thursday I'm making a video. Next Thursday. Yeah. Not cool, guys. I feel like we need a one. Wait, guys. I'm moving.
Where are you going?
Why did he just mess up my thing?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Okay, guys. I gotta go lock in, get in my chair, and go lock in. Okay, guys? I'm getting in my chair, guys. Oof, yeah. Okay, now we gotta be in. Look at that shit, bro. Yeah. People jump. No, 76. I ate that choke point. Guys, you know I'm gonna beat it. I streamed so. No, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Please apologize, guys. Can you forgive me, guys? Can you forgive me, guys? Can you forgive me, please, guys? Can you forgive me, please, guys? making a video.
Buddy, you can make your video for 15 minutes.
And then you
And
have
then
to
we're
come
gonna get ready
upstairs
for
and we're gonna get you ready, okay?
Guys, let me 50 more. Guys, we have 50 more minutes to be here, guys. I'm so sorry about that, guys. We have 50 more minutes to be here. Only be there, I gotta end this. Right, guys? But we're not doing it. But yeah. I almost said this. Might do a practice. No, guys! Oh my god, guys. One more attempt. Alright, we're going to practice. Okay, guys. This time I'm grabbing. Guys, I have a feeling that we're not going to be. Yay, guys! We're going to practice on. Welcome to our practice room, guys. We're doing this practice now, guys. We're doing this. This practice. See? Practice. We need to practice this outside. We made this one a regular practice. I didn't even jump. Wait, I forgot it. Gotta work on it. So this part we do not want to do. We want to do this. Okay, down to first. We want to do this. We want to hit this. We want to then I want to press this. Okay, I'm into practice this one. So when we get here, guys, we need to do these red walk sounds. Then we just go. Okay, I'm actually gonna make it here for something I feel. Okay, you got it in practice mode. Not send me in real mode, guys. This is going to be in real mode, right, guys? We have to be in real Like I said to my mom, Mom, I'm never we actually beat it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.